Today's topic for discussion is different shapes of plant leaf. The leaf is a thin or thick. It may be flat or broad or narrow, green or other than green colored structure of vascular plants. Leaf has distinct dorsal and ventral surface. The water supplying pipelines present in the leaf that are termed as veins, and the veins are again greatly variable according to the type of plant. There is a great variation in color, size, shape, texture and arrangement of the leaves. And there is a complete leaf composed of a blade, petiole and stipules. And in some plants stipule is absent. And leaf is very important part of the plant. The entire process of plant growth and its development and its reproduction is dependent on the vital energy which is received from the leaves of the plant. Leaf is a natural factory for food preparation. The prepared food is utilized by plant itself to perform all processes of metabolism. Hence, the leaf plays a very important role in existence of plant. And there are different shapes of leaf which plays very important role in identification of the plant. There is great variation in shape, size, texture and color of leaf. The leaf shape plays the important role because it has several characteristic features. Because the base is different, apex is different, margins are different. There are many qualitative and quantitative characteristics occur in leaf which plays very important role in identification of the plant. Let us see the different shapes of leaf. The shape of leaf, there are various words used in taxonomy for different types of shapes. First, number one, that is lanceolate shape of leaf. In photograph, we have shown the lanceolate shape of leaf. And the shape of leaf that resemble the lens. The leaf is elongated with broad middle region. It is attached to the shoot with its broader region, and the apex and the base of the leaf is somewhat tapered. Such shape is described as lanceolate. Next, this is the sagittate shape of leaf. As shown in the photograph, it is an elongated triangular leaf, arrow shaped. The basal region is broad with two lobes facing downwards, forming a notch for attachment of the petiole. The leaf shapes resemble a elongated triangle. Such type of shape of the leaf that is described as sagittate type in taxonomy. Next, this is the mucronate shape of leaf, and it is too much narrow at the basal region, and at the top it is broad and apex is pointed, that is mucronate. Such shape is mucronate. Such shape of leaf is described as mucronate. Next, this is elliptical shape of leaf. It is very common. It is oval shaped leaf with a short pointed apex. The width of the leaf may be about half of its length, and such shape is described as elliptical. Next, linear shape of leaf, linear leaf. A very narrow long leaf is called as linear leaf. The shape is linear. The leaf has approximately parallel margin. The leaf which is longer than broad, it is termed as linear. Next, this is one more shape of the leaf, that is spatulate leaf, or it is also called as subulate leaf. The spoon shaped leaf is termed as spatulate or subulate. The lamina is narrow, it is firm and tapering gradually from the basal region to the top. Such type of shape is described as spatulate or subulate. Next, these are again different shapes of leaf. Palmately lobed leaf to the left side in the photograph, palm shaped leaf shape, and second photograph, that is fusiform, narrow at base, broad at the top, gradual that has become broad at the top, such shape, that is fusiform shape. And number 3 photograph, that is oblanceolate. Okay, somewhat lanceolate, it is lanceolate but somewhat elongated, that is described as oblanceolate, shown in the photograph. And foliar lacinate, figure number 4, and this is the lobes of the leaf. They are finger like, pointed, and originated from the same point. Such leaf shape is described as foliar lacinate leaf. Okay, next, this is pinnatisect type of leaf, that is pinnatisect type of shape of leaf. The leaf lamina from both the lateral side cut but not up to the margin, not up to the midrib. Cutting the lobes is not of an indefinite shape, that is, such shape of the leaf is termed as pinnatisect. Okay. Such leaf is also described as decompound leaf, because the marginal cutting is indefinite, it is not regular, and such shape is also described as decompound leaf or pinnatisect leaf. Next, this shape shown in the photograph, that is described as lacinate shape. The leaf possesses incist margins. The tip of margin slightly bent towards base of the leaf. Such type of leaf is termed as lacinate. When the leaf margin is very deeply lobed, the leaf shape is termed as lacinate. Next, this is one more shape of the leaf, that is oval or ovate shaped leaf. Leaf shapes resemble the shape of hen's egg with tapering apex. The base of the leaf is broad. Such type of shape is described as ovate or oval shaped leaf. This is one more shape of leaf, that is digitate. In this case, the shape is digitate because the margin is digitally cut and it appears like a round fan. Okay. Such shape of the leaf, it is described as digitate shape. Next, lyrate shape of leaf. It is the term used to describe a leaf which is pinnately divided and have a broad apical lobe and smaller lateral lobes. This type of shape of the leaf is termed as lyrate. Next, this is one more shape of leaf, that is a rancinate shape. The elongated leaf with toothed margin, the teeth-like structures directed towards basal region of the leaf. Such shape is described as a rancinate shape. Next, this is aristate shape of leaf. The leaf is elongated with broad lamina. The lamina region of leaf ends into a small pointed tip which is like a bristle. Such type of shape is described as aristate. Next, another shape of leaf, that is chordate shape of leaf. The shape of leaf resembles the heart of the greeting card. The leaf may be petiolate or it may be sessile. Such shape is described as chordate shape. Next shape of the leaf, that is obovate. The leaf is egg shaped, but the narrow end of the leaf attached to the shoot, and it is a term used for shape of leaf which is ovate without any divisions. Okay, next, these are again different shapes of leaf. First photograph, it is dentate aristate. Base is broad, margin is dentate, apical region is gradually pointed. Such shape is described as dentate aristate shape. Second photograph, that is peltate. It is a spherical shaped leaf. The petiole is attached at the center of the leaf from dorsal surface. Dorsal surface is round, and the petiole is attached at the lower surface of the leaf. And next shape of leaf is orbicular, orbit-like leaf. Next, another fourth photograph, that is concave shaped leaf. The central part of the leaf slightly raised. Such shape is described as concave. And photograph 5, that is triangular leaf or heart shaped leaf. The shape resembles a triangle. And next, photograph number 6, that is round spherical leaf. Okay, next. This is the photograph, that is such a shape of the leaf that is described as cuneate. It is a triangular shaped leaf having distinct narrow toward the basal region. Very typical shape of leaf that is shown in the photograph. This is the cuneate shape of leaf. This is oblanceolate shape. Leaf is elongated with broad middle region. It is attached with stem with pointed region of leaf. Next. Chordate shape. The leaf with broad lamina with a very long tail-like structure at the apex. Such leaf is described as chordate. Next. These are again different shapes of the leaf. Simple leaf. In the first photograph, it has a simple aristate leaf. Basal region broad. Gradually, upper part become pointed. Such shape is this simple aristate. Second photograph, dentate chordate. Chordate already described. It is dentate chordate. And third photograph, elliptical, elongated, elliptical shaped. And fourth photograph, that is oblong shape of leaf. Okay, next. This is deltoid shape of leaf. The shape of leaf resembles a triangle. Triangular leaf may have broad base covering two angles of leaf, and remaining angle is apex of the leaf. The shape is termed as deltoid. Next. This is again one more shape of leaf, that is sagittate shape of leaf. It is an elongated triangular leaf, arrow shaped. The basal region is broad with two lobes facing downwards, forming a notch for attachment of the petiole. The leaf shapes resemble elongated triangle. Such type of shape is described as sagittate. This is one more shape of the leaf, that is digitate shape of leaf. The lamina possesses 3 to 4 or more finger-like structures. A variety of ornamental plants possesses digitate type of leaves. The lamina of leaf is highly divided into finger-like projections. All the finger-like projections of leaf originated from a single point. Such type of leaf is described as digitate. Next. This is again, there are different shapes of leaves present which takes part in which are helpful in identification of the plant. In first photograph, scale-like leaf shown here. The leaf having small scale-like structure. Leaves are very small and which are closely associated with the stem. Scaly leaves are very closely associated with stem and which occurs in pteridophytes and in certain xerophytic plants. Second photograph, shape of the leaf is chordate, heart shaped. And third photograph shown in this slide, that is trifoliate leaf. The leaf is having, it is a compound leaf. It is having 3 leaf-like structure. It is a trifoliate leaf. Next. Reduced shape of leaf. The leaf margin having large 2 to 3 lobes and apex is obtuse. Such shape is termed as reduced. Next. Hastate shape of leaf. The upper leaf of, this is the shape of leaf shown in the photograph, hastate. The upper leaf of leaf lamina possesses oval shape with a pointed apex. The basal part of lamina has 2 lobes which are extended outward with a pointed apex. Such type of shape is described as hastate shape of leaf. Next. Another shape of leaf, that is acicular shape of leaf. In this case, the pointed needle shaped leaves which are cylinder green in color, mostly occur in xerophytic plants. In the taxonomic language, such leaf shape is described as acicular. Next, trifoliate leaf. It is a compound leaf. A leaf is having 3 separate leaflets. Such leaf is described as trifoliate leaf. Next, peltate leaf. The leaf lamina is almost spherical, round. The margin is not divided with which is entire, or sometimes it is dentate. The petiole is attached at the central region at the ventral surface. Such a disc-shaped leaf is termed as peltate. The round plate or shield-shaped leaf is termed as peltate. The attachment of leaf is present at the center of the leaf. Attachment of the petiole is situated present at the center of the leaf. These are again different shapes of leaf. First is rhomboid shaped. It is round plate-like leaf. Second photograph, bilobed leaf. There are 2 distinct lobes in the leaf. Such leaf is described as bilobe. Number 3, lacinate shape of leaf. Lacinate, the leaf lamina is divided into finger-like projections, and all these finger-like projections originated from the center single point. Such shape is described as lacinate. Cochleate shape of leaf. Fourth photograph, that is cochleate shape. This is a very typical leaf, and the lamina is folded, and it is irregular shape of leaf. Such leaf is described as cochleate leaf. Next, this is again one more shape of leaf, fenestrate shape. The leaf lamina shows holes of variable size. It is a natural phenomenon. The leaf resembles the window. The shape of such a leaf is termed as fenestrate shape of leaf, as shown in the photograph to left side. And one more shape of the leaf shown here in the photograph, that is obtuse. In this, the lamina is there and it is divided in large sized lobes, and the apex of the leaf is blunt, that is directly end into a blunt region. That is, such leaf shape is described as obtuse. Next, again these are different shapes of leaf. Needle shaped leaf, which occur in pinus in first photograph. Flabellate leaf, broad lamina, pointed, blunt apex in the leaf, and petiole is attached at the center of the leaf from lower surface. Such leaf is described as flabellate. One more shape, photograph number 3, that is digitate shape of leaf. Lamina is digitally divided and several lobes. Such shape is described as digitate. Another fourth photograph, that is spine shaped leaf. Leaves are modified to spine. This is the characteristic feature of xerophytes. Spine shaped leaf. And number 5, that is fifth photograph, it is a spindle shaped leaf. It resembles a spindle shaped leaf. Okay, next. This is one more beautiful shape of the leaf, that is truncate shape of leaf. This photograph, the square shaped leaf with a rectangular apex is termed as truncate, and photograph is shown in the slide, and it is a beautiful shape, and such shape is described as truncate shape of leaf. Next, save trees. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.